Bonuses often include specific conditions for their use and conversion into withdrawable cash. These conditions are known as wagering requirements, which dictate how a bonus can be utilized. Understanding these requirements is crucial for assessing the true value of any bonus offer. They define the actions needed to fulfill the bonus terms before funds can be withdrawn. A bonus percentage indicates the bonus amount relative to an initial deposit. For example, a 100% bonus means the bonus awarded equals the deposit amount. If you deposit $100 with a 100% bonus, you receive an additional $100. This results in a total of $200 available for use. Bonus percentages clarify the value of promotional offers. A 100% bonus is a promotional offer that effectively doubles a user's initial playing capital. This significant increase in funds is a primary reason for its attractiveness to users. The augmented capital can lead to extended playtime, enhancing user engagement. It also potentially offers more opportunities for winning, making it a popular promotional tool. The wagering multiplier is a key term in bonus offers, especially in online gaming and casinos. It specifies the number of times a bonus amount must be played through. Sometimes, it applies to the deposit plus the bonus amount combined. This playthrough requirement must be met before any winnings from the bonus can be withdrawn. It acts as a condition to ensure active engagement with the bonus funds. The wagering multiplier is crucial for determining the actual feasibility and value of a bonus offer. A 40x wagering requirement is a common condition in online gaming bonuses. It dictates the total amount of money that must be wagered before bonus funds become withdrawable. For example, if a player receives a $100 bonus, the wagering requirement is applied to this amount. To calculate the total wagering, multiply the bonus amount by the wagering multiple. In this case, $100 multiplied by 40 equals $4,000. Therefore, $4,000 must be wagered before the $100 bonus, and any winnings can be withdrawn. Understanding the total wagering amount is crucial in gaming and betting contexts. This amount represents the total sum that must be wagered before bonus funds can be withdrawn. To calculate it, multiply the bonus amount received by the specified wagering multiplier. For instance, a $50 bonus with a 30x wagering requirement is a common example. This calculation necessitates $1,500 in total bets. $50 bonus times 30x multiplier. Some promotional offers require wagering on both the deposited funds and the bonus amount received. For example, a $100 deposit might receive a $100 bonus. If the wagering requirement is 20x, the deposit plus bonus, the calculation changes. The total wagering required would be 20 times $100 deposit plus $100 bonus, equaling $4,000. Wagering requirements directly influence the duration of gameplay for players. Higher requirements necessitate more extensive engagement with game. This increased playtime elevates player exposure to the inherent house edge. It also amplifies exposure to the natural volatility of gaming outcomes. Expected loss calculation quantifies the average amount a player is likely to lose. This calculation is specifically applied while fulfilling wagering requirements. It provides a statistical measure of potential financial outcome for players. The calculation incorporates the game's return to player RTP percentage. RTP is a key factor in determining the long-term profitability for players. Return to player RTP is a theoretical percentage in gaming mechanics. It represents the total amount of wagered money a game is expected to return to players. This return is calculated over an extended period of gameplay. For example, a game with a 96% RTP. This means it is theoretically expected to pay back $96 for every $100 wagered. RTP provides an indication of a game's long-term payout rate to players. Expected loss is a statistical measure used to predict financial outcomes in wagering scenarios. It quantifies the average amount of money a player is projected to lose over time. The calculation begins with the total wagering amount, representing all money risked. This amount is then multiplied by the house edge, which is the casino's built-in advantage. The house edge is derived by subtracting the return to player (RTP) percentage from 100%. This formula provides a statistical prediction of the net loss over a defined wagering period. Expected loss is calculated based on total wagering requirements and the game's house edge. For example, with a $4,000 wagering requirement and a 96% return to player RTP, the house edge is determined by subtracting the RTP from 100%, resulting in 4%. Thus, the expected loss is $4,000 multiplied by 0.04, equaling $160. Bonus attractiveness is not solely determined by its percentage value. Other crucial factors include wagering requirements, which dictate how many times the bonus must be played. The expected loss associated with meeting these requirements also significantly impacts value. A large bonus with high wagering demands may offer less actual benefit. Conversely, a smaller bonus with lower, more achievable requirements can be more valuable. Not all games contribute equally to fulfilling wagering requirements in gaming platforms. Game contribution percentages vary significantly, impacting how quickly requirements are met. Slots typically contribute 100% of the wagered amount towards these requirements. Table games like blackjack or roulette often contribute less, around 10% to 20%, due to their lower house edge. Game contribution rates impact how much each wager counts towards fulfilling requirements. If a game contributes 50%, only half of each wager is applied to the requirement. For example, a $1 wager on a 50% contribution game counts as $0.50 towards the total. This effectively doubles the actual play needed for that specific game type to meet the requirement. Bonuses often come with specific time limits for meeting wagering requirements. These timeframes dictate the period within which all conditions must be satisfied. Failure to complete the required wagering within the set time is critical. Such an oversight typically leads to the forfeiture of the bonus funds. Any accumulated winnings derived from the bonus are also usually lost. Wagering bonuses often include specific conditions to ensure fair play and prevent misuse. One common condition is the implementation of a maximum bet limit while a bonus is active. This limit prevents players from quickly fulfilling wagering requirements with large, high-risk bets. It ensures a more balanced and prolonged engagement with the bonus fund. Exceeding this maximum bet limit can result in the voiding of the bonus and any associated winnings. Bonus funds in gaming or promotional contexts often come with specific wagering requirements. These requirements dictate the conditions that must be met before the bonus can be withdrawn. A critical aspect of bonus terms is the expiry period, a set time frame for meeting these conditions. If wagering requirements are not fulfilled within this period, the bonus is subject to expiry. Upon expiry, both the bonus funds and any winnings derived from them are typically forfeited. This mechanism underscores the importance of actively managing playtime and understanding bonus terms. Game volatility significantly influences the player's wagering experience and bonus play. High volatility games offer larger, but less frequent, payouts to players. Conversely, low volatility games provide smaller, yet more frequent winnings. This difference directly impacts the likelihood of players sustaining their funds during gameplay. Players strategically select games to optimize wagering requirements and minimize losses. This strategy involves choosing games with a high return to player (RTP) percentage. Additionally, games with low volatility are preferred to reduce risk. This careful game selection is crucial for successful bonus conversion. Funds in gaming or betting platforms are typically categorized into real money and bonus money. Real money is usually utilized first for wagers and bets. Winnings derived from real money bets are generally eligible for direct withdrawal. Bonus money and any winnings from it are commonly subject to specific wagering requirements before withdrawal. The primary objective of fulfilling wagering requirements is to convert bonus funds into withdrawable cash. This process involves meeting specific conditions set by the bonus term. Successful completion of these terms allows for the conversion of bonus money. Any winnings associated with the bonus funds are also subject to this conversion. The conversion signifies that the bonus has been successfully cleared and is now accessible as real money. Bonus offers often come with specific terms and conditions. One common condition is the wagering requirement, which must be met before withdrawal. However, even after fulfilling wagering requirements, additional limits may apply. These are known as maximum withdrawal limits on bonus winnings. Such limits cap the total amount a player can cash out from a bonus offer. Players should always review these terms to understand the actual value of a bonus. The true value of a bonus extends beyond its initial monetary amount. It is determined by the net expected gain or loss after considering various factors. Key factors include wagering requirements, which dictate how many times the bonus must be played. Return to player (RTP) percentages also significantly influence the bonus's real worth. Additionally, Other restrictive terms and conditions can impact the bonus's overall value. A bonus is considered truly attractive only if it offers a positive expected value to the recipient. Understanding bonus wagering requirements is crucial for informed decision-making. Players can mathematically assess the true value of a bonus offer. This involves calculating the expected loss associated with the wagering term. By evaluating these terms, players can determine if a bonus is genuinely beneficial. This analytical approach helps distinguish valuable bonuses from mere promotional illusions.